In this video, I will show you how you can automatically send the WhatsApp messages for every refund that you are doing via SamCart application. So SamCart is an e-commerce platform for selling the products, and assume that a customer has requested a refund and now you want that as soon as you have refunded that amount, an automatic WhatsApp message should be sent to your customer informing that their refund has been processed. And not just that, you want that the name of the customer, the refunded amount, and even the product name for which you are refunding, all the details should be attached automatically along with your message. Now you must be thinking how to automate this refund related WhatsApp messages. Well, you just need to build a connection in SamCart application and in the application of sending the WhatsApp messages. Well, in this video I will use Interact application for sending the WhatsApp messages, and it is an amazing application because it has the access of official API of WhatsApp. So how you can create your account and what else you will have to do, I will explain you everything within the video. For now, you just need to build a connection in SamCart and interact with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as automatic WhatsApp message for every refund in SamCart. Okay, now simply click on create and then you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So when something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so basically you need to always select the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any refund is initiated via SamCart application, an automatic WhatsApp message should be sent to the customer via Interact application. Okay, so as I have told you, for sending the WhatsApp messages we will use Interact application. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect to both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect a SamCart with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever a new refund is there. Triggers when a refund is made in SamCart, this automation should trigger. Yes, I want that whenever a new refund is there, this automation should trigger. And how you can build this connection? Well, the instruction for the same are already given. So basically you just need to copy this webhook URL and then you will have to go back to your SamCart application. After that, click on the settings section from the left hand sidebar at the bottom, and then click on this integration section, and then you will have to create a new integration from this blue button. Firstly you will have to select what integration would you like to add. Okay, so as per the instruction I will select this notify URL. Okay, so let me do the same. I'm searching for this notify URL, and here we have the same integration. Clicking on next step, and now it will ask you to provide the name. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like connection with Pabbly Connect. I'm providing this particular name. Let me also correct the spelling. Asking for the notification URL, so we will paste the same webhook URL that we have got from Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have pasted the same. Clicking on save integration, and this is how it has successfully saved your integration. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard and again read the instruction. It is asking to click on global rules tab and then click on new rule. Okay, so I will do the same. This is my SamCart application. Here you can notice the option of global rules, and again click on this blue button that is new role, and firstly select which type of trigger to use. Okay, so currently we are selling the e-commerce product, so I have selected the same, and now it will ask you select a trigger. Okay, so I'll select this product refunded. As per the instruction I have selected the same because my topic is also same, that is whenever the product is refunded in SamCart, this automation should trigger, or we can say that refund details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so clicking on this next button, then clicking on this submit button. Well, it is also asking firstly for the integration. Okay, so remember we have just created the integration with the name connection with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have added the same, and further it is also asking for the action. Okay, so we have a single action only, that is send notify to URL post, send notify URL post. Okay, so I have selected the same, clicking on next button and clicking on submit, and this is how you will notice how SamCart and Pabbly Connect connection is successful, and now it is waiting for the webhook response, which means it is saying log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means new refund is initiated in SamCart application. Okay, so yes, I am going to perform the same, and here this is my sales section and I am going to refund any amount from here. Okay, so here the order list is provided, so how about I refund this particular order. Okay, so the name of the person is demo user. Let me click on this refund button and finally click on this orange refund button, and this is how the order item is refunded. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard and waiting for the response. All right, so the fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received, which means the connection in SamCart and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Now let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the type as refund, here we have the product price, here we also have the product name. Let me show you other details. Okay, so here we have the sandbox mode. Okay, basically it is just a testing mode, so that is why I have refunded the testing order details only. Okay, so here you can find the same customer details, the dummy phone number, the dummy last name, the dummy first name and the dummy email address. Okay, you can notice these are the same details. Okay, demo user 321@pabblytudes.com, and this is the dummy number and the dummy name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connections is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time you and your team member will initiate the refund from SamCart application, the details of that refund will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now moving further I am going to send the WhatsApp messages for such kind of refunds. Okay, so the application is already selected, and now I will select the action event, that is send WhatsApp message template. And now just like we have connected SamCart and Pabbly Connect, now I will connect this interact with the Pabbly Connect. Now simply select add a new connection, and for which it is asking for the secret key. Okay, so if you are already logged in your interact account, you can directly click on this hyperlink and it will redirected you to that specific place. Okay, so this is the interact section, and here is the developer setting, and here we have the secret key. Clicking on this green button, that is copy, coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, let me paste the same, click on save, and this is how interact application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now it is asking several other details. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the country code, then it is asking for the phone number, and then it is again asking for the phone number. Okay, so why it is asking phone number at two different places? Okay, so firstly I will show you the note that it is saying it is mandatory to give a value either a full phone number or for both phone number and the country code. Okay, so basically it depends on what kind of number you have. Okay, so if you have a number along with the country code, in that case that number will be considered as the full phone number, and if you only have a number, you do not have the country code, in that case you will have to provide the number in this particular field, and then you can separately provide the country code in this particular field. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. And now finally it is asking for the template code name. So before I provide the code name, let me provide the phone number, and the interesting thing is I am not going to manually copy the phone number from here and paste it below. Basically I'm going to map the details, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this particular field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the number. Okay, so here I am searching for the same, and I have mapped the phone number successfully. Okay, and now it was asking for the template code name, and here let me also tell you an important thing that currently I have provided this dummy phone number. Okay, But don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number so that I can show you how messages can be sent. Okay, let me also delete the message from my WhatsApp message so that I can show you how new messages will be arrived here automatically. Okay, so I have deleted the same. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, it was asking for the template code name. So let me first take you to the interact application, and here from the left hand sidebar you will find an option of templates. Click on that, and here you can notice all the template libraries. Okay, so before we copy the template code, let me first show you, whenever you are sending the messages using some official API of WhatsApp, you will always have to create a new WhatsApp template. Okay, and once that template is ready, you will have to submit that template for the approval, and the parent company of WhatsApp, that is Meta, is going to approve your template. They will only decide that whether your template will be approved or rejected. Okay, so from this particular button you can create your new template. Simply provide a random name, then select a random category, then select the language of your choice, and from here exactly you can compose your message. And this header is also optional, just in case if you want to attach any text, image, video or document along with your message, you can also select anything. And in this body, let me first show you, whatever the details you will write here will be appear here in the right hand side. Basically you can preview the message here. Okay, and the same message will be sent to all the customers automatically. So how it will possible? So basically you will have to add the variables. Okay, so what are these variables? So whatever the values you want to keep on changing automatically, you can add those values in the form of variable, and you can add as many as variables as you want. Okay, so in this way, with the help of variable, the same message will be sent to all the customers automatically, and this is how this automation will take place. Footer and button option are also provided here, but because these were optional, so I have not included any. Okay, so going back to my template section once again, and here I will visit this active section, and you will find a lot of templates. There are around 800 templates me and my team have created inside this interact application. Okay, and few of them are rejected, few of them are actually approved, and few of them are pending. Okay, so you can actually understand that from the color. You can differentiate it from this particular color. The templates marked with the red color are the rejected one, the templates marked with the green color are actually the approved one, and the templates marked with yellow color are actually the pending one. Okay, so this is how you can create your message template, and once the template is approved, you can use that template, and you can see the status of that template from this particular color. Okay, so let me first show you the template which I have created for sending the refund related messages. Okay, so I'm searching for the same. Let me search with the help of refund, and here is my template. Let me open that template, and the name I have provided is refund process. The category I have selected is utility. The custom category is also there. Headers were optional and I have not included any on. And from here, from this particular body text, I have composed this message, that is, dear dash, a refund of dash has been processed against the product dash. You will receive the amount within 2 to 3 work business days. Okay, so in this way the details will be added here automatically, and the same message will get sent to all the customers automatically. And again you can see I have not included any footer, any button. And here I would like to tell you one more important thing. Before you submit this template for the approval, do not forget to provide the sample content. Well, sample content is nothing but just a sample content, a dummy content which you are telling the system that these values will appear in place of those variables. Okay, so once the template is created and you have also provided the samples, then you can actually submit it for the approval. And once the template is approved, you can open that template, and then you will have to copy the template code from the URL, and then you will have to paste the same thing here. Okay, so I have provided the template code. Now it is asking for the language code. Okay, so remember I have selected the language as English only, so the code for English language is actually EN, and the code for English US is actually EN. And you can also visit the documentation for more information. Okay, so let me add the same EN, asking for the header header value. Remember, we have not included any header along with your message, so I will keep this particular field blank, asking for the body variable values, the most interesting part, because from here exactly we will provide the values to our variable. Okay, so currently I have 3 variables in total, and I want that in place of first variable the name of the customer should appear here. So again, I'll click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the name of the person, and not just the first name. I will first give a space and will also map the last name, something like customer. I'm sorry, it was not customer, it was user. Okay, so in this way I have provided the value to my first variable. Now I will add a comma and will provide the value to my second variable, which is going to be a refund of rupees dash. Okay, so here I will provide the product price. Okay, so remember the product price was actually around 12.99, so I'm searching for the same, that is 12.99. okay, so I have mapped this value also, and now it is asking for the has been processed against the product this. Okay, so the name of the product should also appear here automatically. Okay, so let me search for the same, and again it was something like white round neck t-shirt. Okay, so I have mapped all the values and I think I have done everything. Okay, you do not have to provide anything in this dynamic field and CTA button. Okay, because these were optional and I have not included any. And now finally I will click on this button and you will see how the message will be sent automatically on my WhatsApp number. Alright, fingers crossed and waiting for the response. And here you can notice the response is received. Going back to my WhatsApp web, let me refresh it and waiting for the message to arrive here. Well, the message is not arrived yet because remember we have not replaced this dummy number. Okay, so firstly I will have to replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number, and then I'll show you how message will be received on my number. Okay, give me a second. So I have provided my number, clicking on this button once again and waiting for the message to arrive here. Okay, let me refresh it, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the message is right, and it is the same message, basically the message which we have created via our template. Dear demo user, a refund of rupees 12.99 has been processed against the product white round neck t-shirt. You will receive the amount within 2 to 3 business days. Regards, Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this way you can automatically send the WhatsApp messages for your refund related data with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.